Good morning. Well, I got a late start, slept in a little bit more. Everybody else is gone. I'm the last one to leave the shelter. Just didn't really feel like getting up in the morning. So, snoozed it out for another 20 minutes, and then that puts me roughly around 20 minutes behind everybody else, which is okay. I'll catch up to them. But yeah, good place. I liked it. We're about to go over the dam. I'm about to go over the dam here shortly. So, until then. Here we go. Great Smoky Mountain National Park. Going up. Not every day on the trail is sunshine and easy hills. We got Mary posted down there with her umbrella, water boy behind us, Dozer in front, the navigator in front of him. And we're just trudging in the rain. It's a normal day. Trying to get to the top here. Okay. Here we go.
Warm.
I don't know if you can see that. You see the heat coming off? Good Lord. I think I'm doing it too.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, that's not my breath. That is literally, the warmth escaping my body. I didn't record much today because it was a rough day. Windy, cold, raining. And we're at the first shelter, which is like 12 miles up. Yeah. And we're basically in a cloud right now. There's a nice little mist coming through, but the rain hadn't stopped for far too long. We were like frozen, like cold. Enough so that we just like jumped into the shelter as fast as possible. Got our clothes. As you saw, we're steaming because of it all. We got our clothes off and warm clothes on so that we can get underneath all of our top coats and bottom coats. So, yep, not too much of a photo opportunity today because we just put our heads down to get out of this miserable weather as fast as we could. But more to come. Yeah, the shelter is very nice. So it's rock. It's got a fireplace inside the shelter, which Smokemaster is maintaining his name. You know, hooking it up. He stayed here last night and did a zero with us today, and he's been maintaining the fire the entire time. Yeah, so it's been an adventure today, and yeah, I didn't want to record any of it because I was freezing cold and I couldn't feel my fingers or my toes or any of that. All right, well, it is almost hike of the night, and I'm going to close up shop. This one's going to be short. I am having some issues with like phone space to actually edit some of these, so you might see, instead of a gap to gap, you'll probably see like all of the 7 days of Smokies into one video. So hopefully I can keep that less than 14-15 minutes. That's what I've been trying to do. But yeah, I'm gonna go get one, and I'm gonna stay there until the morning, where it should be better. Come on, I'll see you at the next place.